Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, Director General of Police ke Meghalaya, ula pentip bag Sorkar jala kan thaw dak coordination committee, bag kentop ke officer ke kampo ieng, ke officer ke BSF Meghalaya frontier, ke pulit ke jala, nalor ke nong ilam snong, ban īathir halor ke jingïatyngkhuh ke bolong nakapor sikapor, hapdeng ke nong snong ke cekak haput, bat ke spai BSF. Kani ke jing pentip Dr. Bishnoi, kalong hadian ke jingwan dan bentah ke jingyalang, belakhat du sembut menteri rangba, badai pe ke kampo ieng ke Sorkar jala, uba perstun tensong hak no phai sngi khalai trek urumpang arjar saw yu inspector general ke BSF Meghalaya frontier nalor kiwi pat hading ke jingmi jingkeno bag sipai BSF kila thambor berngam siat bat penlau jan yu nong trek kenat veterinary hamok tapur men khadwai trek urumpang arjar saw.
That was unfortunate incident where the veterinary surgeon was allegedly misbehaved by BSF personnel. There was a communication gap because of some local language problems or maybe other reasons. So Honorable Home Minister has called a meeting of the IG BSF. I also attended, and from Home Department, Additional Chief Secretary and Home Secretary, they were in the meeting. So basically we discussed not only about that incident but about earlier incidents also, and we have decided that the coordination committee involving the police, civil administrations and the BSF will be constituted at sub-divisional level, and every month they will organize one meeting and where the community leaders will be invited as special invitee to attend meeting, so that the trust and understanding can be strengthened between the people of the border villages and the BSF.
But what action will be taken in regards
See,
to
the
this
BSF is also inquiring into the matter, and today IG BSF has assured us that I will go into the detail, and once after inquiry, once we will submit the report, then we will think about the action. Such kind of incident will not be repeated at all. That is one, he has given us assurance. And secondly, whatever exactly happened, they will look into the entire incident, and to overcome the mistrust and misunderstanding, this coordination will be strengthened. And let the preliminary inquiry be conducted from the BSF side, and once the report comes, after that only we will take up. And he has not filed any FIR formally, but he complained to the local, and then we have taken the matter. The BSF, because BSF was directly alleged that they were misbehaving the veterinary surgeons. The government will be issuing notifications, constituting a coordination committee, not only in Amlaram subdivision, but other subdivision like Sohra, like Dalus, and like Panarsuna. In every subdivision, one coordination committee will be there. Every month they will organize one meeting involving the community leaderships, the citizens of the border villages, the local police, the civil administration, and the BSF. Now see, after that coordination was enhanced, so that is why after that no further incident in Peninsula subdivision. That was unfortunate.
Police was supposed to be informed, but then they not informed.
No, now that is why the coordination was lacking earlier. To strengthen that only, now they have decided that coordination committee will meet up every month. Even if there is no incident in the area, still they will keep meeting to strengthen the understanding and trust. And we have decided that if any misunderstanding is there, so the BSF company commander or the local officer, he should intimate the nearby police station immediately, so that the language and other communication problem will not be there. And till the local police arrives, they should not take any further action. So we agreed for that. It is just to strengthen the coordination only.
Sir, who will be the member of the coordination committee?
It will be headed by SPO civil of the subdivisions, SDPO, company commander of the BSF will be the members, and the community leaders of those villages will be special.